Hello everybody, this is Megan, and I just wanted to take a second and come to you with a great travel solution for you if you're traveling this fall, in this holiday season, or anytime you're traveling. I am a huge crossbody fan, and right now I have on the Crossbody Organizer, which is one of my favorite. It's a $38 bag. It's got some awesome deep pockets on the outside here, 2 mesh pockets, and then 2 really deep pockets, and it zips completely closed with a zipper at the top that you can actually push down if you want it to be a little bit smaller. But what's so special about this bag right now is that it has all of my travel necessities, my my makeup, my toiletries, all that kind of stuff right in here. So if you're traveling by car, this is a great solution for you, because then you know you can have a smaller bag for your clothes and shoes, and then keep all your toiletries safe and really easy to grab if you have to stay at a hotel or you're making stops along the way. So let me show you what I have in here, and this is what I travel with all the time. I always travel with these 3 products, okay? So the first is our hanging traveler's case. This is a $35 bag, and I love it because first of all, it has this awesome handle to carry it, but then it opens up and it has another handle with a clip that you can hook onto anything. I love bringing this with me because first of all, if I'm traveling by car, I can bring my big shampoo bottles and not have to store them, put my shampoo into a smaller bottle, but I can fit a ton of stuff in here. It has 2 pockets right here and then right here that I can see through and find my extra stuff in that I might need. But I love it because I can hang it up in the bathroom wherever I am staying. And if I'm staying at a hotel with not a lot of counter space, then this is a great option. So this is our hanging traveler case. It's in this really cute print here with a dandelion on it. The next one is our fold-up family organizer, and this is in our Diddy dot print. This is our family's first aid bag when we are traveling. And we do a lot of traveling in the summer back and forth, maybe to a lake house or wherever we might be going. But I love this bag because first of all, it has a clip. So again, you can hang it up. A lot of people actually use this bag in the car for their kids, and they can put an iPad or a tablet in here to watch something. It's a great bag for arts and crafts for your kids, activity bag for the car, that kind of thing. But it makes a great first aid kit or jewelry pouch, so many different things. But I pack this up in the summer, and so it always has our stuff with us ready to go. It always has a thermometer, it has Advil and Tylenol, cold medicine, cough medicine, Band-Aids, Neosporin, alcohol wipes, everything that we need that I know I can just grab really quickly, and I know I have it all with me and I don't have to think about it every time I travel. But the other thing I love about it is that it clips together, but it has an elastic band right here, so you can actually stuff this thing so full and it will still stay shut for you because of that elastic. So you see, I can actually get quite a bit in here, filled those pockets full with the boxes of medicine, so you don't have to take them out all the time. So that's the fold-up family organizer. That's a $28 item. And then one of my favorites is our Glamour Case. This is $25, and I love it. This is what I carry my makeup in because it will sit right on the counter for me, and I can just dig through it. It's got spaces for brushes, for makeup brushes right here, and then a flap to keep them safe, and keep other things from getting dirty. It's got a great little pocket up here, and then this is all PVC, so you can wipe it down really easily if you spill something in it. But I love it because I can just rifle through it and find the items that I need sitting on the counter waiting for me as I travel. So that's our Glamour Case. Again, this is exactly what I travel with. This solution set makes it really easy to get where I'm going, and this bag is perfect. It's just a perfect little travel companion bag for you to take your toiletries in, and then once you get where you're going, this is a great bag for whatever you might be doing. If you're being a tourist, This is a great bag to carry water bottles in and snacks for your kids or whatever you might be doing. It's one of my favorites for sure. So again, a great travel solution as you gear up for maybe traveling this fall for Thanksgiving and Christmas time, and then maybe even on winter breaks and stuff like that. So again, it's a crossbody organizing tote, the Glamour Case, the fold-up family organizer, and the hanging traveler case. And with that purchase qualifies you for quite a few of our amazing monthly customer specials. So be sure to check those out as well. Thanks.